Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from Group 4. We will present Pancasila, a basis for nation character education. Previously introduced, my name is Irma Triwulansari, majoring in Sharia Economic Law with name 1022000145. To educate the life of all nations is one of goals owned by Indonesian nation as stated in the Preamble of Indonesia in 1945. On the fourth paragraph, the state to form a government of state of Indonesia which shall protect all the people of Indonesia. Many kinds of law made by the government are to embody the goal of Indonesian people, especially in educating the people or nation. Regulation in educating life of the nation as written in the law number 4 in the year of 2050 and number 12 in the year of 2054 on the basis of education and teaching at the school in Indonesia. Law number 2 4 in the year of 1989 on the national education system and the law number 24 in the year of 2003 on the national education system. Pancasila is one of goals to be realized as stipulated in the law number 20 in the year of 2003, Article 3, so that the goal of national education is to develop the potential of learners to become human beings who believe in one God, the Almighty, have a noble character, become healthy, knowledgeable, skillful, creative, independent, and democratic and responsible citizen. The law number 20 in the year of 2003 on the national education system reveals that the character of the Indonesian nation is based on 5 principles Pancasila, as well as 1 belief in the one and only God, 2 just and civilized humanity, 3 unity of Indonesian, 4 democracy led by the wisdom of the representative of the people, and 5 society justice for all Indonesians. Character education of Indonesian nation. Character education is a system of inculcating the character values to school citizens, including the components of knowledge, awareness, and action to carry out those values toward God Almighty, self, other human being, environment, and nationality to become the complete human being. The character education of Indonesian people is the conscious and deliberate effort to form the character or personality of a person based on the values in Indonesian society. These values come from religion, Pancasila, culture, goals of national education. Philosophy of Pancasila as basis of nation's education character. Etymologically, the word Pancasila, etymologically, the word Pancasila is derived from Sanskrit, Indian, the language of the Brahmin caste. According to Prof. Muhammad Yamin, in Sanskrit the word Pancasila has 2 kinds of meaning, namely Pancasila means 5, whereas Sila deals with the rules of good or important attitude. Thus Pancasila has moral and ethical principle, Moral principle and ethics in Pancasila can be seen in this as follows. The first 5 principles of Pancasila believe in the one and only God. Moral principle and Pancasila ethics. 1. The Indonesian nation proclaim their belief and devotion to God Almighty. Indonesian nation trusts towards God to Almighty based on religion and belief that is just and civilized. 3. Develop a respectful attitude and collaborate with other different religion believers toward God Almighty. The second 5 principle of Pancasila. Just and civilized humanity. Moral principle and Pancasila ethics. 1. Develop a loving attitude among humans. 2. Develop an attitude of mutual tolerance and tolerance. 3. Develop a non-arbitrary attitude toward others. The third 5 principle of Pancasila. The unity of Indonesian. 1. Develop a sense of belonging to the homeland and nation. 2. Develop a sense of pride to the homeland and nation. 3. Maintain world order based on freedom, internal peace, and society justice. Next, 5 principles of Pancasila. Democracy led by the wisdom of the representative of the people. 1. Priorities deliberation in making decisions for the justice common interest. 2. Deliberation to reach consensus is overwhelmed by the spirit of kinship. 3. Respect and uphold any decisions made as a result of deliberation. The last 5 principles of Pancasila. Society justice for all Indonesians. 1. Mention a balance between rights and obligation. 2. Respect the rights of others. 3. Love to help to others to stand on by their own. Recommendation for character education of Indonesian nation. Pancasila as an ideology born from the spiritual, moral, and cultural wealth of Indonesian society and comes from the nation's life view. Thus, the ideology of Pancasila belongs to all the people and the nation of Indonesia. Therefore, Indonesian people are obligated to release the ideology of Pancasila in life of society, nation, and the state, or based on the values of Pancasila. Character education is one effort to inculcate the values of Pancasila in the life of Indonesian society. Therefore, character education should be based on the values of Pancasila as a whole, not other sources such as religion, culture, and goal of nation education. In this case, because religion, culture, and goal of national education part of Pancasila. Conclusion: character education is an attempt to build the character of the Indonesian nation based on the values of Pancasila. Therefore, nation's character education must be built based on the Pancasila, not other sources such as religion, culture, and goal of national education, because religion, culture, and goal of national education are part of Pancasila. So, that was the presentation from Group 4. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.